Key components of product safety include a safe product design, correct manufacturing according to that design, and proper warnings and instructions. In Uniroyal Goodrich Tire Company versus Martinez, we'll explore whether a manufacturer's provision of an adequate warning of danger stemming from a product's incorrect use prevents users from claiming that a safer alternative design should have been used. Tires made by Uniroyal Goodrich Tire included a warning that users should never mount a 16-inch tire onto a rim with a 16.5-inch diameter. The warning explained that although the tire can fit on the slightly larger rim, forcing it to do so could cause the tire bead on the inner lip to break with explosive force and cause serious injury. In 1998, Roberto Martinez removed a 16-inch tire from what he assumed was a 16-inch rim. In reality, the rim was 16.5 inches. When Martinez attempted to mount a new 16-inch tire on the rim, the tire exploded during installation and severely injured Martinez. Martinez sued Goodrich in a Texas state trial court. Martinez didn't allege that the warnings were inadequate. Instead, he claimed that Goodrich was negligent and strictly liable for designing and manufacturing a defective tire and rim. At trial, testimony revealed that Goodrich used a tire bead system that was prone to breaking and known to lead to tire explosions when tires were inflated on a larger rim. Other manufacturers used an alternative bead design that could withstand higher inflation pressure. If Goodrich had used the safer design adopted by other manufacturers, Martinez's injuries wouldn't have occurred. The trial court ruled for Martinez. Goodrich appealed to the Texas Court of Appeals, which affirmed. Goodrich appealed to the Texas Supreme Court.